300 delegates from 140 countries, including Pakistan, converged in Paris on 4th of May 2026 to attend 4-day centenary World Congress of International Federation of Journalists, IFJ, world's largest organization of journalists. And why Paris? The outgoing IFJ president, Dominique Pradalier, deciphered. We have returned to Paris, the birthplace of the IFJ, marking a century of solidarity and trade union struggles for press freedom, quality journalism, and fair working conditions for all our members. This Congress promises to be a powerful gathering, and we hope our delegates leave inspired with renewed strength, hope, and unity. The participants reflected on the continued commitment of IFJ to social justice, decent working conditions, and freedom of expression for media workers, electing a new executive committee and deciding the Federation's strategic direction for 2026 to 2029 for its 188 affiliated journalist unions, speaking on behalf of 600,000 members. The Congress agenda included pertinent discussions on issues of artificial intelligence, climate change, media safety, youth engagement, gender equality, surveillance, and more, all anchored in the IFJ's core values of solidarity, trade unionism, and press freedom. On 6th May, Peruvian journalist and a trade union leader, Zuliana, was elected as the new president of IFJ for a 3-year term. Alongside her journalism career, she is also a lecturer in press law and the right to information. Her election marks a milestone in the presentation of the Global South within international governance structures. The newly elected IFJ president held, "We are in a challenging period for journalism around the world. In recent years, we have seen a staggering number of journalists killed in Palestine, Ukraine, Lebanon, Sudan, and Latin America, which is unprecedented in history. The levels of impunity for these crimes are also unprecedented. As a global organization, it's our duty to ensure that these crimes are prosecuted in international courts." Pakistan Federal Union of Journalists (PFUJ) delegation members presented souvenirs to newly elected President Zuliana, Senior Vice President Nasir Abu Bakr, who represents Palestinian Journalists Syndicate, outgoing President Dominique Pradalier, General Secretary Anthony Belanger, Director Jane Worthington, and Jim Bomela, who stepped down as IFJ Treasurer. Members of the PFUJ delegation also attended a reception hosted by Sardar Zahoor Iqbal, Chairman Pakistan Business Forum, France. Ambassador of Pakistan to France, Her Excellency Mumtaz Zahra Baloch, hosted a dinner in honor of PFUJ delegation that represented the country at the 100th anniversary of IFJ.